Ready? Andriki Namaskaram. Our film, Nannu Vadli Nive Pole Vele, is releasing on 18th March.
Don't say the date. Who said?
You only said, no?
No.
It's not releasing on
Don't tell
18th
us the
March.
date. You
Okay, sir, I've
Sorry.
already said it in the morning.
Yes.
Our film, Nannu Vadli Nive Pole Vele, is releasing soon. Please go and watch it, support it. We are newcomers. We've worked really hard for the film, and it's a brilliant script by Sri Raghavan sir and directed by Gitanjali Silva Raghavan. And she's a woman, and it's Women's Day, so support women. And please, whenever it releases, please go and watch it. My character name is Manoja in the film. She is a very strong woman, modern but traditional at heart, and she is a very sorted person. She knows what she wants in life. But as we all know that we all humans are a little complicated when it comes to love or when it comes to emotions. Nobody is perfect. So I think that's what's shown in the film, that love is not perfect, you know. Whom you love is not perfect. You just love the imperfect person, you know, perfectly. So the film is about love. We've made it with love. And please watch it with love. Wow. Sir, क्या rhyme किया मैंने? Again, huh? What made me do this film was the script, the screenplay by Sri Raghavan sir, and it's just amazing. It's so realistic. I fell in love with the character as soon as I read the script, or people, the assistant directors, the director, when they told me about the character. So complicated, and it's always good to play complicated characters on screen, you know. And I'm so glad that it's releasing in Telugu, because my first Telugu film was Bhale Manchi Roju, and that film had a lot of characters, you know. I think I'm more excited about this film because this film is about only two characters, and you know, I'll have more chance to show my talent in this film. And yeah, I think people should appreciate my work in this film. I hope they like it. So yeah.
So tell me about the production house and
Uh,
producer.
I'm really happy and really blessed that I have worked with good people till now, and I hope that I work with good people in future as well. Kola sir is one of them. He's a great person, great producer. He has tolerated all my nakras. Being a newcomer, he's been really patient with me, really nice to me, and he's a very nice person, very decent, and I think he was always there on the sets every day. Like, he's not one of those producers who would just, you know, spend the money and just stay at home or do some other work. Like, he was wholeheartedly there during the shoot. Every second he was there to ensure that everything is going right. And hats off to him for tolerating us because any problem directly I used to tell Kola sir, and he's been really patient with all of us. So yeah.
What about your co-star?
Co-star Balakrishna. He's good. The best thing was that he's my age, like around my age. So we were like friends. Even few of the assistant directors in our film, we belong to the same age group. So we were like this little group of people who were the only people in the crew who could, you know, joke around or talk to each other and just make fun. So it was fun working with him. Yeah, it was good. He was a good co-star.
Tell me about the director.
Director, yeah, it's Women's Day, and I'm so happy that our film, you know, we are promoting the film today, and this film, which is directed by a female director, and I was personally very, very comfortable working with her because she's a woman, and I have some few bold scenes in the film, and it was just so easy for me to do it, because you know there is this another woman standing in front of you who can explain you the scenes, and with whom you can talk to and tell her that I'm not comfortable doing this, or can we do something else, or do you think I should do this. So I think it was really comfortable talking to her, and she's amazing, she's like really cool, and now I'm actually excited to work with more female directors.